Now we're going to take a look at the problem 47 plus 84, and we're going to see how these algebra properties can help us use mental math to solve this problem, but also how it builds into teaching kids the traditional and formal algorithm. I'm going to start by taking this problem and seeing how I can use number bonds and the distributive property to make this a problem that may be easier for us to solve in our heads. Let's start by looking at 84. And I know that using number bonds, 84 is the same as 4 plus 80. Well, 80 is a nice easy number to work with because it ends in that 0. So all I'm going to do is now take my 4 and add it to 47. So I have 51 plus 80. And now I've gotten rid of any need to regroup, so this problem becomes a little easier for us to solve. I can also look at 47 and realize that's pretty close to 50 because 47 and 3 are both number bonds for 50. So I'm going to add 3 to 47, and to balance that I have to take away 3 from 84, which means me 81. So what I have now is essentially I'm doing this, 47 plus 3 plus 81, so I've broken 84 into 3 and 81, which is 50 plus 81. And this gives me a simpler problem like I saw on the last page of 131. Okay, so that's great using all these number bonds, but how does that get the kids moving on? How does that teach them how to use the algorithm to solve problems? Because they're not always going to be able to use them. Well, let's take a look again at 47 and 84. And this time I'm going to look at the number bonds that form them, trying to get down to my tens. 40 and 7, and 84, 80 plus 4. The commutative property of addition says that it really doesn't matter the order in which we add a group of numbers. So I could take this problem here and switch it around to 7 plus 4 plus 40 plus 80. And then I could add my separate numbers here, and I get 7 plus 4 is 11, and 40 plus 80 is 120, which together equals 131. And this is exactly what we do when we teach them how to do the traditional algorithm for two-digit addition. We have them start off by solving in the ones place. 7 plus 4 is 11. And then they go into the tens place and solve 40 plus 80. And we really try to emphasize 40 plus 80, not 4 plus 8, is 120. And when you add them together, you get 131. And then as the students become stronger at this skill is when we start to teach them how we can use the regrouping to solve 7 plus 4 is 11. Remembering that 11 is 1 10 and 1 1. And now 1 10 plus 4 tens plus 8 tens is 131.